The Aqua Ace just re-released and y'all just gonna let them sit? Is y'all cool? Nah, y'all can't be, bruh. Them things is busting out, brother, and I ain't gonna lie. YouTube, it's your boy Mo, and today I am very excited because we have a release on the Aqua 8s, man. But yeah, first things first, right now I'm just at the park with baby girl, letting her get her play on, and then we gonna get them Aqua 8s, man. All right, y'all. I done got little mama to go to sleep. She in there with her grandma, and you already know what time it is. It's time to go get these Aquas, man, and I'm juiced. I did not get to get these last time in 2015. I think I was broke or something, or I just wasn't on my sneakerhead regular movement. But this time, we not missing out, y'all. So let's slide to the local mall and go get these one-up-top Akis. I'm ready to swoop these and put these things on feet, you feel me? But yeah, y'all, I'm headed to my local mall, and it's time to see what the business is. Hopefully they let me record. If not, I'm gonna come out with them for y'all. But we'll see. Sometimes they got music slapping all in Foot Locker. I'm not trying to get copywritten, y'all. I'm not trying to get no strikes. We starting clean, and we gonna do this. All right, y'all, we done made it to the mall. Now it's time to grab these sneakers. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record in here because of the music and just because the security gonna be on my ass. So let me go grab these real quick, y'all. Dude, I have no idea what was going on in the mall today, but it was hella people in there. I mean, it was cracking in there. I needed to get in and out. All right, y'all, so I done secured the bag. I would show y'all a foot of the shoe right now, but I like to stick and move. And I'm gonna take it to the hut. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all, I made it in the crib nice and safely. And so did my box. And look what we have here. The Aqua 8s. Let me just give y'all a spin of these in the camera real quick. Those is busting. I ain't gonna lie. I don't care about any hype. I don't care about none of that. All I care about is if Jordan wore them on the floor, then it's a score. You feel me? And speaking of floor, let me give y'all a little history lesson. If y'all don't know, Jordan wore these in the 1993 All-Star game, which is why these should be in your collection. I don't care about the new school hype. I'm a 90s baby. So this is a must. These are giving 90s vibey, strappy, dewy. But yeah, I had to unstrap everything because you know how they be doing y'all shoes in the store. They were choking these motherfuckers, man. Jeez Louise. Like, these had a seatbelt on. They already got the seatbelt. You see it. They were choking them. Choke slamming my shoes. But yeah, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all on this channel. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Let me turn off my inner sneakerhead for 1 minute. There's been a lot of drops this year and a little bit of last year, right? I'm not expecting y'all to get every single Jordan. That's not being realistic, and that's very expensive. But what I can do is I can lead y'all in the right direction of what Jordans you should get for your collection that matter. The Aqua 8s are one of them. You can listen, you cannot listen, but you should get them. If you don't, that's okay. We'll try next time. But yeah, I'm really truly messing with these Aqua 8s, y'all. And it really, to be honest with you, it's really a memory thing. A lot of these Jordans I had when I was younger, in like middle school and high school, etc. So whenever I see something come out that I had or my sibling had, I truly want to get it. And to be quite honest with you, I can't give up the 90s. It's been a while now, and I still haven't given my 90s up. I'm still sticking to the script. I guess that's what true 90s babies do. But yeah, y'all, my baby girl had to come in here and interrupt the video. Let her do what she gotta do.
I know you done got them.
You like these shoes, baby?
Yes, your shoes so cute.
Okay. Well,
those shoes got purple, blue.
Yes, they do, baby.
There's our colors, your shoes.
Okay. So, you like these, right?
I smell your shoes.
What does it smell like?
Your shoes smell good in the air.
Do they smell new?
Yes.
Okay. Well, I guess that's check from Princess Mariah. Princess Mariah likes these, y'all. So, that's a plus.
This is blue, purple.
Yes, baby. But yeah, y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what the stats were in your city. Let me know if you cop these Aqua 8s. Let me know if you plan on copping them. Let me know if it's a no-go. Let me know what's going on. But before I go, y'all, what I will do is I'm going to try on these Aqua 8s with some stacked jeans, and I'm going to give y'all a look at them. Say bye, baby.
Bye.
Say like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And boom, do that. Let her know if y'all like the Aqua 8s, and let her know if y'all could get them, and let her know if y'all are going to get them.